I like computer a lot, and I want to learn more about it because I want to study computer science, so that's my career that I want to have in the future.
The only thing I need help with is turning the computer on and putting the headset on my head. Other than that, I can operate just about anything else by myself.
It's a real accomplishment, and you really feel proud of yourself when you're actually able to make progress and do something without having to ask somebody else, you know. It's like you actually did it by yourself, yay, you know.
Besides an interest in technology, what these people have in common is mobility impairment. But each one is different, and so is the way they use their computers.
It's pretty rare that there'd be a one-size-fits-all technology for people. Each person with a disability with a mobility impairment is going to have a unique setup that's suited to meet their needs, and they need to be the end client that decides, is this technology working for me, or is there something else that I'd rather use that would suit me better?
An individual's mobility impairment may or may not be obvious to others, and people with similar medical conditions may need different types of adaptive technology. The important thing is to work closely with the person using the computer to figure out the best fit.
Pay attention to the individual and what he or she needs, both through observation of him or her in the actual environment in which the technology is being used, and also through consultations with the individual.
We'll show you some examples of adaptive technology that have been used effectively by people with mobility impairments. And we'll start with getting to the computer. You can't use a computer if you can't reach it. You have to be able to get in the building, get through the aisles, and sit comfortably at the workstation. Computers at work and at school should be in locations that are accessible to people using wheelchairs.
Physical access to buildings, labs, classrooms, all of that is extremely important because this technology, no matter how good it is completely unusable to a physically disabled person if they can't get to it.
And that means having a ramp if there are stairs, having an elevator if there are stairs inside the building, having enough room between aisles if it's a computer lab, or having enough room in the hallway.
The furniture makes a difference too. It's important to be flexible in the way you position keyboards, computer screens, and table height. Adjustable tables can be cranked higher or lower so that the monitor is at the most comfortable height. Keyboard trays can move up and down or tilt to make typing easier. Some people with mobility impairments don't have the flexibility or range of motion to use a standard keyboard. Fortunately, there's a wide range of alternatives available. Some of those are already built into current popular operating systems.
The fact that there are some basic features built into operating systems is really important. There are some very simple things that can be done using control panels, accessibility options control panels, that give access, basic access